We are Sons of the Tribe, a British hip-hop band from Bracknell. We're not really trying to follow the trends of rap and hip-hop at the moment. We're just doing what we feel, which is, you know, our influence from, you know, 5, 6, 7 years ago. We've had interest, we've had people turn up at stuff, but British hip-hop is it's a risk, and no one's really prepared to put any money into it until hopefully one day someone will, but that's what we strive for. The hopes for the future is basically just to make a career out of music. That's what I want to do, you know, just so I don't have to work this 9-to-5 existence.
Why do they do this? A mystery to me. I never really understand what they try to be, so I start inspecting, I start the testing, soaking information cause it can be interesting, delving in the mind to see what we can find. Not a lot initially, but there's no surprise, so we're looking forward, spotting insecurities, psychoanalyzing, but I don't ever charge a fee, searching in this matter as I speak and spell. Who's the bill? Never know. That goes a living, I see the transparent, so you know it makes them barren. How I know cause it's apparent. It ain't hard to see that transparent, so you know it makes them barren. How I know cause it's apparent. It ain't hard to see that transparent, so you know it makes them barren. How I know cause it's apparent. It ain't hard to tell. It ain't hard to tell. I see my fast, now I'm tightening the lace. Got to see the junction, now I'm taking up the chase of the feeble and of the evil of the meek. Dancing with the choice, so you know I need to speak about the issue rather than surrounding my thoughts, and about the people that are easily bought. Industry puppets with strings to their arms, bringing people over with the transparent charms. Give them half a chance and entertain you with the antics, living life through a lens of watching them get frantic. I question the reasons for the action. Is it really genuine or waiting for reaction? If you're trying to tell them no, they won't understand, cause they're raking in the money, giving shitloads of fans. That's the rain, and that's where the beat is driven. To me, they're just a passenger, should never be forgiven. I see the transparent, so you know it makes them barren. How I know cause it's apparent. I see the transparent, so you know it makes them barren. How I know cause it's apparent. I see the transparent, so you know it makes them barren. How I know cause it's apparent. It ain't hard to tell. Like this. Once again you hear me rhyming, going off and then back on timing, disgusting, no more like a crisis you see, oblivious or clueless, these people seem to be unaware of their actions, their emotions, their way from the social classroom. I sure they did stray to living in a fantasy that I've never visited, doubt I'll ever go the nest of madness takes me with it, no matter how hard they try they never get it right, don't think they even know how to use hindsight, still they're talking loud, still they're singing zero, thinking they're impressing, thinking they're a hero, trying to grab the spotlight at any good chance, acting a comedian but I'm singing at the cards. Once you got started, you know it's a mistake, but now I'm getting down, it's time for the coffee break. See the transparent, so you know it makes them barren. How I know cause it's apparent. I see the transparent, so you know it makes them barren. How I know cause it's apparent. I see the transparent, so you know it makes them barren. How I know cause it's apparent. I see the transparent, so you know it makes them barren. How I know cause it's apparent. It ain't hard to tell.
Ideally, sort of thing we'd like is some sort of financial backing, or maybe a record contract, something that will allow us to jack in our jobs full time and take up a career in music and spread it around the country a bit.